Welcome back, friends. Over the weekend, I had mentioned in my video that this week the markets will move between greed and fear. I think you're seeing a lot of it already. In the United States, Dow Jones down over 650 points. Now it's recovered a little bit, but this movement between the greed and the fear, I believe, will continue for some more days. This will present opportunities as well, because those who have missed out on some stocks can, when the market is very fearful, can take advantage and buy them as well. There have been a slew of union cabinet decisions today, and it could benefit some companies like the EV companies and others, which we will be shortly putting out in our groups as well, in the Telegram groups. Of great significance, friends, was the debate between Donald J. Trump and Kamala Harris in Philadelphia. And was an interesting debate conducted by ABC News, and its moderators, which Donald Trump feels were a little prejudiced. But in any event, I believe that Lindsay Davis and David Muir did a lot of fact checking while the debate was live and into progress. For example, 15 minutes into the debate, President Donald Trump was delivering a circuitous answer about his stance on abortion rights when he made a statement with no basis in reality that a governor had condoned executing babies after birth. And Lindsay Davis, one of the evening's moderators from ABC News, did not let that one slide. And she said that there is no state in the country where it is legal to kill a baby after it is born. So that was a great comment from Lindsay Davis. But later on, Donald Trump made an outlandish claim about migrants in Springdale, Ohio, eating dogs and cats, and the other moderator, David Muir, pointed out that ABC had called the city manager and confirmed that there were no credible reports of pets being harmed. The state of the US economy open to question. We have various opinions that are floating around. We have Jamie Dimon of JP Morgan calling the situation as one where stagflation looks to be possible at this point of time. Stagflation is not very good for world financial markets, and particularly for the US markets. What happens in US markets then percolates elsewhere. And we had other opinions as well coming in over the last few days. At the Barclays conference, we had David Solomon of Goldman Sachs speaking some words of that how the trading activity in Goldman Sachs has come down by about maybe 10%, and it can impact the prices, it can impact the profitability. On the other hand, we had Brian Moynihan of Bank of America talking about the normalization of the US consumer taking place post the COVID wave, and how that can lead to stability in the US economy, and he didn't quite see a recession on the cards as yet. So these are divergent views, and they can all come to play in the markets in the days and weeks ahead. The US markets could get time to time concerned, and greed and fear will both come and play in equal magnitude as we go forward. To get to know more, please to join our for the US markets, you can join our Prime or Prime Plus Telegram groups. For the Indian markets, you can join Premium Value Plus, which is an excellent program. It gives you 1 week bird's eye view of the markets in advance. Or you can join the very special, the Ganesh Chaturthi special, which gives you daily predictions of the market, also gives you some good stock options, and it definitely you'll find it very interesting and rewarding. So happy investing to you all, friends, and do WhatsApp us on 9820861044. Happy investing. Take care. Bye bye.